Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use paid links in Wix. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to accept payments quickly without needing customers to navigate through your entire website. It's perfect for selling single items, accepting donations, or requesting payments for services. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your main control center for managing your website and all its features. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the section labeled Getting Paid and click on it. This area houses all the payment-related tools Wix offers, making it easy to manage how you receive money from your customers. After clicking on Getting Paid, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this selection, locate and click on Pay Links. This is the feature we'll be using today to create a direct payment link that you can share with anyone. Once you click on Pay Links, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that gives you an overview of how Pay Links work. This page explains the basics and shows you what you can accomplish with this tool. To get started creating your own link, click on the Create Link button. At this point, you'll be prompted to select what type of link you're trying to create. Wix offers two main options here: a custom amount link or a catalog item link. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use the custom amount option, which allows you to set any price you want. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. Now, a Pay Link customization window will appear. This is where you'll enter all the important details for your Pay Link. Start by entering a name for your link, something that clearly describes what you're selling or what the payment is for. Next, enter the price you want to charge, then add a description to give your customers more context about what they're paying for. You also have the option to add an image, which can make your Pay Link look more professional and appealing. However, do note that adding an image is a premium feature that requires a premium subscription, so you might see a different interface if you're on a free plan. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Create Pay Link at the bottom of the window. And that's it. You've successfully created a Pay Link in Wix that you can now share with your customers through email, social media, or any other platform. They'll be able to click the link and pay you directly without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.